Hello everyone, I am Abdi Samad. In this video, I will guide you through a real-world AWS project I built using three AWS core services, CloudTrail, EventBridge, and SNS. We are creating a real-time alert system that sends you an email whenever someone logs into your AWS console. If you are learning cloud or looking to build your cybersecurity resume, this project is a great place to start. First, let me explain how these services work together so that you understand the setup. As you can see on the screen, when someone logs into your AWS console, CloudTrail records that event and stores key details like who logged in and when. Then EventBridge picks up that login event in real time. When that happens, it triggers a response. That response is passed to SNS, which immediately sends an email alert to your inbox so that the moment someone logs in, you are notified. Let's begin by setting up CloudTrail, which records activity across your AWS account, such as management events. Navigate to CloudTrail service in your AWS console. In the left menu, choose Trials, then click Create New Trial. Next, configure trial settings like entering your trial name, choosing Create New S3 packet to store logs. After that, leave the other settings as default. Scroll down to log file encryption. Since I don't need to encrypt the log, I am turning that option off. For event type, select Management Events. Under API activity, make sure both read and write are enabled. This is important because AWS console logins are recorded as read events. After reviewing your settings, scroll down and click Create New Trial. Now, CloudTrail will automatically log activity across your AWS account, including logins, user actions, and changes made to your console. After setting up the trial, the next step is to create the notification system. This is what will send you an email alert when someone logs in. Open Amazon Simple Notification Service. And click Create Topic. For the topic type, use Standard. Give your topic a name. I will give mine something like Console Login Alerts. Leave all other settings as default and click Create Topic. Once topic is created, scroll down to Subscription section. Click Create New Subscription. For protocol, select Email, and for endpoint, enter your email address. This is where alerts will be sent. Then click Create New Subscription. You will receive a confirmation email from AWS. Make sure to open and click the confirmation link, otherwise alerts won't work. Now that we have created a trial and the notification system, let's move to the final part, setting up the event bridge. This is where we detect the login events and connect them to the SNS topic. In your AWS console, search and open Amazon Event Bridge. On the left side, click Rules, then click Create Rule. Give your rule a name. You can leave the description empty or add something. For event path, choose Default. Under Rule type, keep rule as an event pattern selected, then click Next. Under Event Source, choose AWS Events or Event Bridge Pattern or Events. Then scroll down and use Custom button. This will open the JSON editor. Now pass this event button here. This button tells the event bridge to look for AWS console login events, including root or IAM users. You can find this exact JSON in my GitHub repository, and this link is in the description of this video. Click Next when the button is added. For target type, choose AWS Service, then use the SNS topic you created earlier. You can leave the rest as default and click Next. Review your rule settings to make sure everything is correct. Then scroll down and click Create Rule. Your Event Bridge rule is now live and listening to console logins. When it detects one, it will send an alert to SNS. Then you will get an email. Now let's test it and make sure it's working. I logged out of AWS, then signing in again using the root account. After a minute, I got an email from SNS letting me know someone had logged in. That means everything is working as expected. If you find this helpful, feel free to like and share, and check out the GitHub link in the description of this video to try it for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.